Gone are the days when record deals were the only path to music success. The internet has revolutionized the music industry. Today, artists can connect directly with fans and monetize their music in countless ways. It's an exciting time to be a musician. You have more control than ever before. This new landscape requires a new approach. It's not enough to just be talented. You need to be savvy, entrepreneurial, and understand the digital marketplace. Think of yourself as a startup. Your music is your product. This essay is your guide to navigating this new world. We'll explore proven strategies to make money from your music online. From streaming to social media, direct sales to fan subscriptions, you'll learn how to turn your passion into profit. The future of music is independent. Are you ready to take control of your career? Let's dive in. Streaming is the dominant force in music consumption. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music have millions of subscribers. While streaming payouts per stream are small, they can add up with a large catalog and dedicated fan base. Focus on getting on curated playlists. These are gold mines for discovery. Pitch your music to playlist curators. Target playlists that fit your genre and style. Engage your fans on these platforms. Encourage them to stream your music, follow your profile, and share your tracks with their friends. Every little bit helps. Remember, streaming is a long game. It's about building a sustainable career over time. Focus on creating great music and connecting with your fans. The streams will follow. Social media is essential for any musician. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter are your direct line to fans. Use them to build your brand, showcase your personality, and interact with your audience. Post regularly and consistently. Share behind-the-scenes content, snippets of new music, live performance clips, and personal updates. Be authentic and engaging. Use relevant hashtags to reach new listeners. Run contests and giveaways to create buzz. Collaborate with other artists to expand your reach. Remember, social media is about building relationships. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and show your appreciation. A strong online community can translate to real-world support. Section 4. Direct connection, selling your sound to your tribe. Selling music directly to fans is one of the most profitable avenues. Platforms like Bandcamp, Shopify, and even your own website allow you to sell music, merchandise, and more. Offer exclusive content to incentivize purchases. Think unreleased tracks, acoustic versions, behind-the-scenes footage, or personalized messages. Give your fans a reason to buy directly from you. Use email marketing to stay top of mind. Collect email addresses at shows and online. Send regular newsletters with updates, new releases, and special offers. Direct-to-fan sales cut out the middleman. You keep a larger percentage of the profits and have more control over your business. Section 5. Beyond the Beat, YouTube, Patreon, and new revenue streams. Diversifying your income streams is crucial. YouTube and Patreon offer unique ways to monetize your music and connect with fans on a deeper level. YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing music videos, live performances, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Patreon allows you to build a community of superfans who support your work through monthly subscriptions. Offer exclusive content, early access to music, and other perks to incentivize membership. Explore other revenue streams like licensing your music for film, TV, and video games, teaching online courses, or selling merchandise. Get creative and find what works best for you. Section 6. Making money music your action plan. The digital age has empowered musicians like never before, but success requires more than just talent. It takes hustle, strategy, and a willingness to adapt. Start by building a strong online presence. Create profiles on all major streaming and social media platforms. Consistently engage with your fans and share your music. Explore direct-to-fan sales platforms like Bandcamp and consider setting up your own website. Offer exclusive content and merchandise to incentivize purchases. Diversify your income streams with platforms like YouTube and Patreon. Think outside the box and explore all your options. The most important thing is to take action. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The music industry is constantly evolving, so stay informed, stay adaptable, and never stop creating. Your music has value. Go out there and share it with the world.